got an incredible 1970 Chevelle right here, folks. $144,000 invested. It's a 2008 Detroit Autorama winner. Actually, it won 2 awards. We've got photos of the complete build, receipts, documentation. Too heavy for me to hold. I'm going to set it down. This thing is built new. I mean, it has a new 598 Merlin big block under there, air ride suspension, all new GM sheet metal. I mean, it's done top to bottom. Obviously, a custom show car that's been driven. You can get in turnkey and use this car. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all the information, study pictures top to bottom. And that's where you find a price tag, not only on this car, but on every car we have here for sale. They'll go as much as as many as 144 months financing, make it real easy for you. Go to volocars.com. If you enjoy these videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon. You'll be notified when the new videos are posted. For right now, let's go for a spin. Yeah, this thing's really a knockout. This is a first-class, high-end restoration. Body was off the frame on a rotisserie. The whole underbody is painted the same smooth, glossy metallic color. It's all clean metal. The frame itself was stripped, made smooth, and it's painted metallic silver. It's on an Air Ride Technologies air ride system. From the receipts I was looking at, I think it's a $7,000 or $8,000 investment. It's all digital from inside, and on the remote control has different settings. Up front, it's all Fat Man, front and back, Fat Man strong arm tubular control arms. Obviously, all the suspension, bushings, all redone, all custom too. It has some upgraded spindles, a fatter sway bar. In back, it's all the tubular control arms and sway bar. It has dual adjustable gas shocks along with the airbags. The whole fuel system's been replaced. All the fuel lines, brake lines, they look like they're stainless steel. They're all neatly run. Got a custom 3-inch exhaust with a crossover pipe, polished MagnaFlow mufflers, and then they actually come out the middle of the car instead of at each corner. Little unique feature there. Disc brakes at all 4 corners, drilled, slotted, Baer brakes, B-A-E-R disc brakes. The calipers are painted to match the car. E-brake assembly is all there. You know, it's all custom. You look up at the motor. It's a big, oversized, anodized oil pan, high torque starter, chrome flywheel cover. It's a TCI 4L80E. It's electronic overdrive automatic transmission. It also has an extra capacity oil pan. It's a finned aluminum pan. Custom drive shaft, big fat drive shaft, custom upgraded yokes, built 12-bolt rear end with the aluminum girdle cover on the back of it. So underneath, it's really nice. I looked at our pictures. Looks like the front sway bar, the paint's a little chipped up. That could use a little touch-up. I mean, this car's a show car. Detailed, smooth, glossy underneath. The body works amazing. Like I said, they did replace the majority of it, and it's all Goodmark, which is General Motors sheet metal, but it is laser beam straight. I don't see a ripple or a wave. I don't see a dent. I don't see bad body work. Actually, it has that clear from here down. I feel a line on the door and the front fender to keep it protected from stone chips. But it lines up precisely. No dents, no damage, no rust. It's a fiberglass tall cowl induction hood, and it's straight, and it fits very nicely. Yeah, the body is excellent. I don't see any issues with the body at all. I mean, laser straight. All fits real nice, no issues. Yeah, it does have that clear along the bottom here, and you don't even see it. But it does protect it from rock chips. Body's pristine. Lines up beautifully, opens and shuts real nice. I don't see anything wrong with the body. I don't see an issue, nothing. The paint, it's a custom PPG Cinnamon Metallic. And I don't know if you can tell as it goes around, but like right here I'm seeing gold where the light hits it. I even see a little bit of green at times. It's got some really nice sparkle, definitely a custom color. It looks amazing on the car. It is wet sanded and polished and buffed like glass. The stripes, like a gray metallic, are smooth. You don't feel them there at all. Metal flake is all laid out evenly. I don't see any mismatched panels. The paint also looks flawless. Maybe there's a tiny speck or a nick or something that I've missed, but the paint looks amazing. All of the glass, all of it was replaced. Of course, all the stainless trim and chrome and seals and weather strips, that was all replaced too. Up front has halogen headlights and the grille and the bumper, all been replaced. Custom wheels, they're Bose wheels with Nitto performance tires. Up front here, they're 18-inch. Obviously in back, they're much wider. And they are 20s, so staggered size wheels, all wrapped in performance sneakers. Oh, what else we got on the outside? I think that covers the outside. The air ride is adjustable. You know, you can drop it down, you can raise it up. This just happens to be where it's set at right now, but you have all sorts of ways you can set it. Yeah, let's open it up. We got a lot more to show you, especially under that hood. All right, let's see what a custom trunk looks like. Under the trunk lid is painted just as smooth as the car itself. I have some stainless steel hardware. Now look at the trunk compartment's been fully boxed, upholstered, and it looks like it has Optima battery, stereo equipment. I'm sure there's some sort of woofers or speakers. Got a big amplifier over here. Weather strip, Autorama, Detroit, 2008, semi hardtop first place. And here's the other award it won at the same show, Street Achievement Interior. So a very nice trunk compartment. There's one little stain, probably clean out. I bet my guys didn't even see that. When they did this car, they were going all out. To spend that kind of money back in 08. And you can just tell by looking at the pictures and the car itself, they were building this to win some awards. Jams are as slick as the car. All the weather strip fits nicely. Everything about this car fits really nicely. Door panels are pristine in the armrest. You notice there's no window switches or window cranks. We'll show you that in a minute. Complete custom dash, Pro Comp gauges, tilt wheel, nice wood polished wheel. Here's your air conditioning controls. Here's your stereo unit. Here's the power window switches I told you about. They're hidden out of the way in the ashtray. Also, this is the digital screen for the air ride suspension. Got speakers in the kick panels. Lloyd mats, nice carpet. Nice console with the overdrive indicator. I was saying everything fits real nice. These seats are completely rebuilt and cushioned. They look like new. The back seat, the side panels, all in fantastic shape. Now the rear shelf matches inside the trunk. There's that custom work there. And the headliners, tight as a drum, the visors, the mirror, everything in here is real nice. It has LED interior lights under the dash. Today this would cost $200 to build. Someone's going to get really good value. Now the motor. It's all new, not a rebuilt engine. This is new. That's a Merlin 598 big block engine, Brodix aluminum heads and intake. You can go to our website to read more of the specs, but that's a healthy machine. It has a Pete Jackson gear drive, An Eagle rotating assembly. It's all balanced. Big dual feed car with all the premium fittings and lines. An MSD ignition system. A big fat set of coated headers. Firewall's been made smooth. And the whole front of the motor has all the billet pulleys and brackets and polished compressor and serpentine belt and a polished Edelbrock water pump and timing cover. It's got an aluminum radiator with dual Spall fans and a polished overflow, one-wire polished alternator, custom power steering with the remote billet reservoir. Their Hustler Headman headers, a Hydro Boost power brake system. So yeah, it's slick. Sounds pretty wild. You know what? This is an excellent value. This is every bit of a $200,000 plus build these days. The car's half that. There is a nick on the door panel here where it must be touching where it closes there. A couple minor little things you can nitpick. You could take this to any local car show. You'll be the best car there. You can enter this in the World of Wheels and higher end judging with just a little more detail or freshen it up again, or you can just drive it. Air ride, air conditioned, huge motor. You can have lots of fun with that motor. So there you have it. Go to volocars.com before someone beats you to it, because this one will sell. Salesmen can help answer your questions. They can help get it delivered to your door. They can help you finance it at volocars.com. If you enjoy the video, subscribe, click on the bell icon. You'll be notified when the next one's posted. Thanks for watching.